Take a ride in the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.